There's bucket life, pot life, and then there's on the floor life. And when you get that on the floor, you have so much more time. So you can't mix, we don't want to ever mix a bucket or too many buckets and have one sit in the corner for 10 minutes. Because by the time you get it on the floor, it's going to be so hot, it's going to get stringy, we're not going to be able to work. So that's why we want to get out as fast as possible. So the first one, the smacking is okay. This one, you want to be able to glide through. Right, so you want to, this one you want to be.
In other words, this one should
stay
wet.
Yeah, you want to see the strings on that, the lines when you pull it.
This was like good old elastomeric.
Yeah.
Right here, you want to see the roping from the roller.
And so this one you're 15 to 20, so this one you want to be a little tighter on yours, a little bit just because of what the notch is.
Okay. Okay. Si me voy a bajar el lado, es.
No queda nada, no va a poder echar el sol ahí. Hasta aquí está.
So you're going to be dealing with clear coats when you're doing this, Nelson?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So every now and then you guys got to work together. Just like I was able to see that from a distance with the light, and you might not be able to see it while you're standing right on top. That way when you do the code base and you show it, you're not having to step out here with cleats to throw on the side. You understand what I'm saying? So you do your flake coat, your first flake coat, before you do the deck. In other words, just do nothing but the 4 inches all the way around, and then that way when you throw it, you're going to have loose flake laying on the deck, and then you sweep that up with and use a dustpan and put it back in a 5-gallon bucket for reuse. And then that way you, when you do the deck, the 4 inches, the code base is already done.
Sí, pero para tirarlo, lo puedes tirar en chiquitín. Ahora sí, ven a traerlo. Alguien debería agarrar otro lado.
Yeah, feed the fucking chicken, man.
Si usted le tira eso, lo va a quedar en otro lado. Tiene que dar aquí que expanda, ¿me entiendes?
You don't have to keep going back and forth. You can stay in one spot and you don't see great.
Yeah, all it. Yep.
Tienes que regarlo en el aire. Sí, echarle mejor un poco, un bolso a un solo lado.
Here. The other is if you see it shiny. If it's shiny, then it's not enough.